Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances with a detailed review of the Cuisinart DFP-14BCNYCB, the 14-cup food processor. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description below so you can easily check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart food processor? This versatile kitchen tool is designed to make food preparation quicker and easier by taking on a variety of tasks like mincing, dicing, shredding, pureeing, and even kneading dough. With a generous 14-cup capacity, it's perfect for both everyday cooking and larger meal prep sessions. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make this food processor a must-have in your kitchen. First off, it comes equipped with a powerful motor that's backed by a full 5-year warranty, along with a limited 3-year warranty for the entire unit. This shows that Cuisinart stands behind their product and is committed to quality. Additionally, it's important to note that this food processor is BPA-free, ensuring that your food preparation is safe and healthy. One of the key features of the DFP-14BCNYCB is its stainless steel chopping blade and a range of discs that allow you to slice, shred, and grate with precision. Whether you're looking to create a smooth puree for soups or finely diced vegetables for a stir-fry, this food processor can handle it all. The large feed tube is another highlight, allowing you to process whole fruits and vegetables without the need for extensive chopping beforehand. Now, who is this food processor suitable for? If you're a home cook who enjoys preparing meals from scratch, or perhaps someone with a busy lifestyle looking to streamline your cooking process, this appliance is perfect for you. It's especially beneficial for families who need to prepare larger quantities of food, as well as those who love to entertain and need to whip up dishes quickly. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're making a fresh salsa, simply toss in your tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, and let the food processor do the work. It can also be a lifesaver when you're preparing ingredients for a hearty lasagna or a classic coleslaw. The kneading function is excellent for bread makers who want to save time on dough preparation. With just a few pulses, you can achieve the perfect dough consistency without the hassle of manual kneading. Another aspect worth mentioning is its ease of cleaning. The bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. This is a significant advantage for anyone who values convenience in the kitchen. In summary, the Cuisinart DFP-14BCNYCB 14-cup food processor is a powerful and reliable kitchen companion that can enhance your cooking experience. With its robust features, generous capacity, and ease of use, it's suitable for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.